Algebra 2, Worksheet 21.2, number 19. This one is a little more complicated because it's not addition or subtraction. There's no plus or minus in between our two parentheses. So this is multiplication. And this is probably throwing some people off because you see that I squared in the beginning. It's a little bit different. Now, one little trick here to make this easier is every time you see an I squared, just go ahead and make it -1. Remember that I squared equals -1. So instead of worrying about I squared times everything, let's just go ahead and make that -1 minus 4i inside, and then 3 minus I. Now go ahead and FOIL it or multiply using your box, whatever method you use. -1 times everything gives us -3 plus I. So I'm taking that -1 and multiplying by both of these. Now -4i times 3 is -12i. -4i times -i is positive 4i squared. There's that ugly I squared again. So now as I simplify, -3, I'm going to combine these two i's, so they're both I to the first. +1 minus 12 is -11i plus 4i squared. And remember, what's that I squared become? That's right, -1. -3 minus 11i didn't change. Now this, instead of +4, becomes -4. So what's happening is I'm again substituting -1 into that I squared. That multiplies, giving -4. Now combine -3 and -4. You get -7. The minus 11i still didn't change. It's all simplified. 19 is done. -7 minus 11i.